an intense campaign, Congresswoman Maan Teodoro was officially proclaimed as Marikina Mayor. She garnered 56% of the votes, defeating fellow lawmaker Stella Kimbo. In her speech, she thanked everyone who stood by their family amidst mudslinging and enjoined the public to pray that Comelec would rule in favor of her husband. Her husband, suspended Mayor Marcy Teodoro, garnered more votes than opponent Coco Pimentel. But Comelec is holding off his proclamation pending final resolution of the cancellation of his certificate of candidacy.
He is in talks and meeting with his lawyers. Pinag-aaralan nila yung nila para doon sa nangyaring postponement or suspension ng proclamation. We believe that the overwhelming votes that he got yesterday is a sign that the voice of Marikina people should be heard.
In a statement on social media, Stella Kimbo said this was not the results they wanted, but said she will accept the decision of the majority. In Pasig, Vico Soto's late Giting ng Pasig swept all the positions, with their electionist mayor winning by a landslide over his opponent, Sara Diskaya. This is Soto's last term as a mayor, and he promised reforms will continue in his city.
What's next is the next 3 years, pagtitibayin natin yung mga nasimulan na pagbabago, reforma. Kailangan siguraduhin natin na ma-institutionalize. Ibig sabihin dapat kung sino yung mga susunod na leader sa Pasig, sisiguraduhin natin na mas mahirap nang gumawa ng masama, mas mahirap nang maging corrupt, mas madali nang maging mabuti, at mas madali nang maging tapat sa LGU ng Pasig.
In the capital city of Manila, former Mayor Isko Moreno is set to make a comeback after garnering a big margin against incumbent Mayor Honey Lacuna.
Maraming salamat mga batang Maynila. I hope, maiayos natin ulit ang lungsod. We're very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great again.
His opponents Lacuna and Sam Versosa have both conceded. In Quezon City, Mayor Joy Belmonte also bagged the third term, winning with more than 1 million votes. This is Belmonte's final term as chief executive of the largest city in the metro.
Mapalawak pa ang serbisyo para sa ating mga mamamayan, lalong-lalo ng social services. So we'd like to concentrate more on improving education. Siyempre kasama na yung pagpapagawa ng mga paaralan at yung mga gamit ng mga bata. And then of course, healthcare is so important, and we are in the process of building one new hospital and one annex building for our Quezon City General Hospital.
Meanwhile, in Makati, Senator Nancy Binay won the mayoralty post. She replaces her sister Abby, who finished 3 terms. The Binay family has held the mayoralty post for 3 decades, starting in 1995 with their father, former Vice President Jejomar Binay. In Caloocan, Along Malapitan won over former Senator Antonio Trillanes. Other winners in the mayoral race are Wes Gatchalian in Valenzuela City, Jeannie Sandoval in Malabon, and Navota's pick John Ray Chanco. Also getting fresh mandates are Menchi Abalos in Mandaluyong, Francis Zamora in San Juan, Lani Cayetano in Taguig. As for the south of Manila, familiar names got the nod of voters, with Rufy Biazon winning in Muntinlupa, Edwin Olivares in Parañaque, Emmy Calixto Rubiano in Pasay, April Aguilar in Las Piñas, and Gerald Herman in Pateros. Jervis Manahan, ABS-CBN News.